Happy New Year! Yep. Mine would today. Today's 12. Today's 12. Today's the new year, January 1, 2026. New year. I have to change the camera thingies. I think it's gonna update. I'm not thinking. Anyway, kanang one. Initong weather karon gahapon kay karon. Lang kayo. Initong weather karon gahapon kay medyo init. I mean, tugnaw. Brain gone. Gahapon kay tugnaw. And we went to look at the fireworks last night. Tugnaw siya na jacket with a beach. Just got a bit of footage, not a lot, but should be good. Yeah, today's sunny. Planning to go out, maybe go for a walk or go for an exercise. Just too lazy today. But the weather is better than yesterday. Oh yeah, I need to do stuff with the tomatoes because we have kanang kamatis here nga we planted. Other than that, yeah, it's kind of warm, not cold. Kung sino nakayagit kay I just want to be comfortable. Should be wearing this in the new year, but it's fine. Yeah, mura na siya. Just gonna drink coconut and then just see how I go. It's 12 noon though. I need to prepare something to eat. But yeah, Happy New Year.